Well, we survived the first day of Bowling Green. We're ready to hit her again. Can't drink all day if you don't start in the morning.
It's about time you fucking do something. Give me directions to the tractor pools.
It's this way. Now we got a cab over Mack with a camper on the back. What the hell is this showing up? I always wondered what happened to Cindy Crawford. Nice seeing you, Cindy. Tell Richard Greer I said hello. Look at this big fish strolling by. Woo! How about it? So I finally got to run into my good friend, Katie Bunk from Illinois.
Don't forget the S.
And you're going to give me what?
An apple pie. Jell-O shot.
All right, give it to me.
Injection, baby.
How about
How
it?
was it?
Good.
These international boys just stopped by, and I didn't realize it till now. They got Dirk Bentley on the back. Boys know how to get right here.
How about it?
How about it? Frickin' paparazzi again.
There's.
How about it?
Oh.
Well, you got quite a unit on you, feller.
Oh yeah.
This baby out. You guys are styling. And then this guy shows up. You're not going to chop me up and eat me, are you?
You're getting away from it.
Then this guy shows up with his Allis-Chalmers straw hat on.
Look at that.
I could tell we're going to be best friends.
Oh yeah.
Look at this crew. And these guys come strutting through playing me some Boston, baby!
Whoa!
So their stretched out electric cart caught on fire last night. So they got on Marketplace and bought that one to push it with today.
How about it? Woo!
I love those guys. Paparazzi's back again. What, boys? This is a pretty stressed out Cub Cadet you got, but you broke the frack down in front of our campground. If you had a GT 5000 with a big, you would be okay. Frack these guys. Well, boys got her put back together.